How about coffee? Is it good to drink coffee?
Very good, they say.
Very good. Why very good?
It gives
Because
oxygen,
nowadays
they say.
people don't exercise. When you do not exercise, not enough oxygen will go to the brain. Then after some time, you have sleep problem. You cannot sleep properly. Loss of concentration. Person who do not exercise have a very high chance of depression. Those who do not exercise always have difficulty in sleep. Now, how long shall we exercise for a day to keep the body healthy? How long should they exercise?
Some say 10 minutes a day, some say
10
2
minutes
hours.
a day?
Some
Oh,
say 2
no,
hours a day.
10 minutes, not enough, not enough.
Nie, 10 minut nie jest za mało.
How long?
Half an hour somebody
No, not
says.
enough. You should exercise 1 hour a day to keep your body healthy. But how many of us exercise 1 hour a day? Very few. 1 hour a day. Even 1 hour a week or so, people do not exercise. For me, I hop from one city to the other. Sometimes in the morning I wake up, I have to think, where am I? If I do not exercise, I become mad Dr. Lim. Hopefully I still okay. I drink coffee. When you drink coffee, organic coffee,